Dear students, in our previous class we have proved a theorem, that is parallelograms on the same base and in between the same parallels are equal in area. So here let us prove this theorem. Two triangles on the same base or equal base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So here I have taken two triangles ABC and DBC. These are two triangles having same base BC and in between the parallels AD and BC. So given triangle ABC and triangle DBC having same base BC and they are in same parallels, in between the same parallels AD and BC. Then to prove, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. We have to prove this. Then construction is required. So draw CP parallel to AB and CQ parallel to BD. Draw CP parallel to AB and CQ parallel to BD. So then proof. So look at the figure. By drawing CP parallel to AB, the ABCP is a parallelogram, and like this DBCQ is also a parallelogram, and these two parallelograms having same base BC and they are in between the same parallels AQ and BC. So the parallelograms ABCP and DBCQ are on the same base BC and in between the same parallels AQ and BC. So this implies area of parallelogram ABCP is equal to area of parallel DBCQ by theorem 9.1. We have proved this theorem. So ABCP is a parallelogram and AC is the diagonal. So diagonal divides a parallelogram into two equal areas. So in place of area of parallelogram ABCP, we can write it as twice the area of triangle ABC. So twice of area of triangle ABC is equal to, in the parallelogram DBCQ, here also DC is the diagonal. And DC diagonal divides this parallelogram into two equal areas. So area of DBCQ parallelogram is equal to twice of the area of triangle DBC. So twice of area of triangle DBC. So this implies area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. Proved. Next, theorem 9.3. Two triangles having same base or equal base and equal areas lie between the same parallels. So this is the converse statement of our previous theorem. So here it is given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC, and triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC. Then to prove AD parallel to BC. Then construction. So here we have to construct AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to BC. Then proof. So what is the area of triangle ABC by using the base and height or altitude? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half base multiplied with altitude AM. Then area of triangle DBC is equal to half BC multiplied with altitude DN. So here it is given that their areas are equal. So this implies area of triangle ABC, this implies this is given is equal to area of triangle DBC. This is given. So this implies half BC multiplied with AM is equal to half BC multiplied with DN. So this implies AM is equal to DN. So AM and DN are the altitudes of these two triangles. So we know if the distance between two lines are equal, then they are parallel. So this implies AD parallel to BC as the distance between two lines equal. So this is proved. So this implies triangle ABC and triangle DBC lie in the same parallels. Same parallels AD and BC. So this is proved. So that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So here ABC is the triangle given. In triangle ABC, AD is the median. We have to prove area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle ADC. Then we have to construct. To prove this, we have to construct. So construction. Draw AN perpendicular to BC. Then prove. Then proof. In triangle ADB, the area of triangle ADB is equal to half multiplied with BD multiplied with AN. Half base into altitude. So this is equal to half of, in place of BD we can write CD, because AD is the median, so BD is equal to DC. So CD into AN as BD is equal to CD. So this is equal to half CD into AN. This is the area of triangle ADC. So this is equal to area of triangle ADC. So here in this case we prove that area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle ADC. So this is proved. Next example, in figure ABCD is a a quadrilateral and BE parallel to SC. BE parallel to SC. So this is E. BE parallel to SC. E is the point with produce CD produced to E. So that area of triangle ADE, area of the triangle ADE is equal to the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So here we have to find what is the area of triangle ADE and area of quadrilateral ABCD. So here look at the figure, it is given that BE parallel to EC. BE parallel to SC. This is given. And ABC is a triangle and AEC is another triangle. These two triangles having same base SC and they are in between the same parallels BE and SC. Two triangles ABC and triangle AEC are on the same base and in between the same parallels BE and SC. So by our previous theorem, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle AEC by theorem 9.2. So if we add the area of triangle ADC in both the sides, adding area of triangle ADC in both sides. So this implies area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC is equal to area of triangle AEC plus area of triangle ADC. So this implies area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. ABC plus ADC. This is quadrilateral ABCD. So this becomes area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle AEC and ADC. So this becomes area of triangle AEC. Area of triangle AEC. So this is proved. This we have to prove the area of triangle. So this is ADE triangle. AEC plus ADC. So this is ADE triangle. So this is proved. So in this way we can apply the area of parallelograms and triangles to solve some problems.